Hi, boys and girls. You're going to need to take out your Iready books today. And you're going to do a lesson on your own today. When you're done, you can take pictures and upload them and send them to your teacher, unless you're in class when she will take a look at it. But you're going to need to open to page 112, The Wolf in Sheep's Clothing. I'm sorry, page 114. I was looking at the wrong page in my book. Words to know. As you read, look around, inside, around, and beyond these words to figure out what they mean. Fleece and delicious. Two important words in this story. So you're going to read page 114 and page 115. Then you're going to answer the questions on 116 and 117. Okay, on 116, it's asking you, every time he saw the wolf, he chased him back into the forest. You need to tell why this is an important event in the beginning of the story. It tells why the wolf can't get near the sheep. It tells why the sheep are not afraid of the wolf. It tells why the wolf wanted to eat the sheep. It tells why the shepherd forgot the fleece. Number 2 has 2 parts. First answer part A, then part B. How did the wolf fool the shepherd? He made a noise like a sheep. He hid in the forest. He waited until the shepherd left. He wore the fleece of a sheep. Write the sentence from the text that explains why the wolf's trick worked. And you'll put that in that box there. Okay. Number 3, look at the chart. It tells the order of the main events. Number 1, the wolf puts on the sheep fluffy fleece. Then there's a blank. Then at the end, it tells us the wolf carries off a sheep for his dinner. Oh, what happened in the middle? Go ahead and tell me which sentence belongs in the empty box. A, the shepherd chases the wolf into the forest. B, the wolf walks into the herd of sheep. C, the shepherd notices the wolf. D, the shepherd cooks a delicious stew. Which choice best shows what strolled means in the following sentence? So let's read this bold sentence. The next day the wolf wore the fleece again and strolled freely among the sheep. A, he ran through the herd of sheep. B, he walked slowly among the sheep. C, he stayed away from the sheep. D, he chased the sheep in the meadow. Remember, you're going to go back, read the story, take your time to pause the video while I'm reading you these questions, and you select your answer. On page 118, plan your response. List important events from the beginning, middle, and end. So you're just going to make a list here. Beginning, middle, end. And on the bottom, it says recount the whole story. Remembering, recount means to retell. Tell me what happened. For example, you might write, there was a wolf who was chased away from some sheep by a shepherd. The wolf finds a fleece and he put it on so he could blend in with the sheep. The wolf takes a sheep for dinner. The next day he tried again, but this time the shepherd thinks the wolf is a sheep and he cooked him into a stew. That could be an example of me recounting the story. Remember to use uppercase letters and ending marks like periods when you do your writing. When you're done, you want to take pictures and send them through Google Classroom or email to your teachers so they can grade The Wolf in Sheep's Clothing.